Hello, everyone. We will implement a classic project. A running light sequence using the Youyeetoo X1 development board. In this project, we will control the GPIO pins through programming to achieve the running water effect of the LED lights. The Youyeetoo X1 is a development board launched by Youyeetoo Tech Company, capable of running the full-featured versions of Windows and Linux. Features low cost and high performance. First, let's take a look at the required hardware. Here, we have the Youyeetoo X1 development board, as well as 5 LED lights connected to the GPIO pins. These LED lights are connected, respectively, to GPIO H19, H18, H17, H16, and H00. Now, let's take a look at the code. We utilize the libgpiod library to control the GPIO pins. First, we obtain the GPIO controller. Then, we acquire the corresponding GPIO lines. Next, we set them to output mode. Next, we enter the main loop. Implement the running light effect. We set the interval for each LED to turn on and off to be 500 milliseconds. Then, we sequentially illuminate each LED from left to right. Subsequently, we compile the code and proceed with the firmware flashing process. This is the running light effect with a 500 millisecond interval. We can see that ... each LED, once illuminated, will remain lit for 500 milliseconds. Then it turns off. Subsequently, the next LED lights up. Next, we will modify the interval to 200 milliseconds. We will also compile and flash the code accordingly. This is the running light effect with a 200 millisecond interval. We can see that ... the speed of the running lights has noticeably increased. Finally, we adjust the interval to 50 milliseconds. This is the running light effect with a 50 millisecond interval. Now, the speed of the running lights has become very fast. Now, the running lights almost form a continuous band of light.